Top tippling has started again. Malcolm Uphill Caerphilly, Saturday the 4th of October. This is automatic pale ale from Creature Comforts Brewing, brewed in the UK by Adnams and their head brewer. 5% alcohol by volume, in very good condition. And it is wonderful. So, and this is the second one like this, it's fruity, it's tropical. There's a tropical fruitiness that sits on the back of your throat, really enjoyable. 5% alcohol by volume, B++, and £1.49 a pint with a 50p off camera voucher. Oktoberfesting later, Prost and top tippling to you all. Cheers.